Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I have a puzzle, a math puzzle. We need to solve that puzzle. So let's see how we can solve this one. First of all, we got that thing, a pattern, but we have to make a pattern or sequence. So how we can convert that value into that and that value into that and that value into that, and but we have to operate the same operation on each number. So first of all, I'm gonna show you how to make a pattern first of all. So we got a value here which is a 4. How? This is first our first term. This first term we need to make a 10. How we can make a 10 with this first term? We need to see which pattern we can use in here. The whole number we can multiply or divide or add or subtract, whatever, but we need to see that one. Just like in here we got a 4 in here, so 4 times 2, which gives you a 8, and we can add 2, which becomes 4 times 2, which is 8, add 2, which becomes 10. This is a one pattern, so we can say this is our 1. So same as it is, we can find out the value. Whatever operation we have used, this operation has to be used on the next one and the third one and the fourth one. But first of all, we need to see how many pattern we can make in here to make a 10. So secondly, we can 4 times, which number is this? Second one is 3, and which value we will subtract. 4 times 3 is 12, but we need a 10. So how we can make a 10? We can subtract, so that makes a 10. And the third one, if we need next pattern, so 4 times 4, which is 16, and subtract 6 give you a 10. And the fourth one is 4 times 5, which gives 20. 20 take away 10, which gives a 10. So we have how many pattern we have? We have pattern this one, and this one. But we need to see which pattern we use applies on the second one to make it 40 and the 41 to make it 190. So we need to select that pattern. So here first, if we try this one, times by 2, add 2. Let's see. So 10 times by 2, which is 20, add 2, which is 22. No, we cannot select this one. This is not for our pattern. Secondly, try the second pattern. 10 times 3, which is 30, take away 2, which is 28. So it means this is also not our pattern. The third one, let's see, 10 times 4, which is 40, take away 6, which is 34. This means this is also not our pattern. So let's see the fourth one. If this doesn't work, so we will move to the next one then. 4 10 times 5, which is 50, take away 10 give you 40. So it means this is our right pattern. So if we use that pattern, times by 5, then subtract 10, these two operations to make our next value. So one more thing we need to check, can we multiply this 40 by this pattern to make it 190? Let's see. So 40 times 5, which is 200, take away 10, which is 190. This means this is our pattern. So next one, we need to find out our fifth value. First of all, if just you need to find out a pattern. If you find the pattern, then the next value easily you can find out the fifth one. So here we can say 190 times 5, So first multiply by 190 by 5. 5 times 0 gives you 0. 5 times 9 is 45. 5s 4 carries. 5 times 1, which is 5, and add 4, which is 9. So 950. So 950 take away 10. So our last value is 940. So our answer, this question answer is 940. This is our answer. So we have solved our puzzle. So if anything comes up, just make sure you need to make a pattern or sequence or operation, which operation you can multiply or subtract or divide or whatever, so to get our next value, and the same operation to use apply on the next one to get our third one. If the first two operation is the right, so it's means so third one automatically gonna be the right. We got our pattern. So I hope you like that video. If you haven't subscribed, you can subscribe and like and share and comment on this. Thank you for watching. Okay, Allah Hafiz.